Hi, today we're going to be unboxing the docking station. I picked this up at a dollar store. It says easy access to a USB port makes speakerphone calls with your iPhone in its dot. Sync your iPad, sync or charge your iPhone 3G, 3GS, 4 or 4S and iPod. Code is black. Let's open this thing up. So there's some kind of little thing down here, which I don't think comes out. Although it kind of looks like it does, because there is a little interface right here. I'm guessing that it does come out. Yeah, it does come out. What you use it for, I don't know, because it's not with anything else that goes in there. All it says here is, I don't know if you can get it on camera, but only charge iPod, iPhone, not iPad. And we got this little mystery thing. So I have no idea what that thing's for. So, got a little charger here. Let's see if it would charge iPod. And let me zoom in a bit. Actually, let me pop this off. I don't know why my camera's blowing out or something. Let me zoom back. Okay, there we go. As you can see, the battery's almost halfway dead or drained or whatever you want to call it. We're going to put it on a stand. And if we snap it on there, there it is charging. iPhone 1, the first generation iPhone to come out. Got a full battery life. Let's pop this on there. And as you can tell, charging. Take it off, non-charging. So does this thing work as a USB bid? Well, I'm not gonna say bid, but you know, better than just plugging in with a USB charger docking cord. So instead of having one of these cords that runs into it, like this, you kind of got a little prop like this thing. So if you do have too many voice calls or video calls on the new iPhone, you can have it charging and you don't have to hold on to it. Like I said, I'm going to pick this up at the dollar store and spend like $1 on it. So, my opinion, it's definitely worth it. So remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.